Okay, good evening, students of class 8th, 11th, and 12th. We are starting with unit number 7 on your marks. Listening activity. Listening. Meera has just joined Prem and Jaspreet as they are discussing a cricket match between England and Australia. Read the sentences and fill in the gaps as you listen. You will be listening the conversation twice, then only you will be marking your answers. So listen very carefully and very attentively this conversation, then only try to mark your answers. While marking your answers, you should be very careful. As you listen, mark your answers. Okay? Now I will be reading the conversation for you. Meera. And what was England's total? Have the Australians started to bat yet? What's the score now? Prem, the English batsmen put up a good show today. They closed at 283. The Australian openers are at the crease now and they have been batting for almost 2 overs, and that's quite a surprise there. The Australian skipper asking Alan Bowley to open. What do you say, Jaspreet? Jaspreet, well, it is a surprise move, but it's a wise move as well. I guess that's what the Australian team needs right now to win this game. They need batsmen who will keep the scoreboard moving through the initial overs. When there are field restrictions, getting Bowley to open might help them reach a decent score quickly before spinners come into bowl. Meera. Somehow, I get a feeling that Australian batsmen won't make it today. I wonder why the skipper got Bowley and Botham to open. The pairs never been tested before. They have never battled together, have they? Jaspreet, from what I hear, Captain Titus has been trying the Bowley Botham combination in all practice matches for a while now, and the English don't seem too surprised by the move. Look, Martin has all his best fielders on the offside. Prem, and that's the end of the third over of the Australian innings, and it is 23 for no loss. That means they are well ahead of the required run rate. Why would you still think they can't win Mira? Mira, what she answers now? I think there are a couple of things that could happen now. Either Martin could hand over the ball to a spinner, making it tough for the batsman, or he could wait and bring a Sheldon to bowl. When Date comes in to bat at one down, Date has fallen to Sheldon's deliveries thrice this season. That would leave some more room for the spinners to come in later and slow down the run rate. Jasprit, but I think Australia still has a good chance at winning this match. Let's not discount the advantages of playing in their home ground. They have an experienced batting lineup and they won the last match. Remember, Prem, the last part of the conversation now. Will, it looks like both teams are evenly matched today. Let's wait and watch. So, who wants some popcorn? So, this is the end of the conversation. For solving the answer, listen to the conversation twice, then only try to mark your answers. As you listen, try to mark your answers. As you listen, try to mark your answers. Now, for a while, you can read the question in your book, what the different type of questions which is given in your book in unit number 7. Okay. Now, I will be reading the questions for you in unit number 7. Unit 7 on your mark. On your mark. Now, I will be reading out the questions for you. Okay. Before this, unit 6 we have already done. Now, we will be doing unit number 7. Before this, we have done routes to shoot. Now, we are doing on your mark. Okay, unit number 7. Now, you have already listened to the conversation. Okay. Now, see. Now, you have to do listening exercise, that is fill in the gaps. So, I will be reading out the question for you. You will be noting down this in the copy, then you will be solving it. Okay, listening. Now, A part of the question. Mira has just joined Prem and Jasprit as they are discussing a cricket match between England and Australia. Read these sentences and fill in the gaps. As you listen, you are done. Listen again and complete the exercise. Now I am reading the fill in the blank exercise for you. First one, first fill in the blank. Prem thinks that the English batsman put up a dash. Fill in the blank. Okay. Now second one I am reading for you. According to Jasprit, the decision to get Bowley to open batting is a dash. Move, but also a dash move. Two fill in the blanks are in this second one. Now, the third one I am reading for you. Meera wonders why the skipper got the dash pair to open because they have never been dash before. Again, two fill in the blanks are there in the third one. Now, the fourth one I am reading for you. Captain Martin has all his dash fielders on the dash side. Again, two fill in the blanks are given to you in this fourth one. Now, the fifth one I am reading for you. Meera thinks that a dash can make it difficult for the batsman to score. Now, the sixth one I am reading for you. Dash has fallen for dash deliveries thrice this season. Again, I am reading the sixth one for you. Dash has fallen for dash deliveries thrice this season. Seventh one I am reading for you. Jasprit thinks that Australia will win the match because they have dash batsmen and they dash the previous match. Two fill in the blanks are again given in the seventh one. Now, the eighth one I am reading for you. Prem thinks that both teams are dash matched. Again, I am reading the eighth one for you. Prem thinks that both teams are dash matched. Okay. Now, the B part of the question, this was the A task. Now, I am reading the B task of the question for you. In this, you have to choose the correct option. Only one question is there of the correct option. You have to choose the correct option. Choose the correct option and complete the sentence. In the B part of the task, Team England will win the match dash. Again, I am reading the question for you. Team England will win the match dash. Option number 1, without any effort. Option number 2, with a wise bowling strategy. Okay, this is task B. Okay, so as you listen, start marking your answers. Good luck, students. Do well. Thank you very much.